Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Friday again. So this is the second half of our quiz for this Friday. Again, we just finished lessons 27B and 27C. So I already read the quiz to you for 27B, and this is 27C, the quiz. I'm going to have the quiz pulled up so you can see the quiz, but you will be answering your quiz questions on this Google form that Mrs. Davis posted on Google Classroom. So you'll have it right here. But I'm going to read it from the quiz so that way we can see, so you can see the questions. Question number 1. Which question can be answered by collecting data? Now remember, when you're collecting data, you want questions that produce more than one answer. If it's just a one answer question, then it's not a good question for collecting data. A, how many sections of books are in the library? B, how many books are checked out of the library each day? C, how many days can you keep a book before it must be returned to the library? And D, what hours is the library open? So which one of these questions, there's only one answer, which one of these questions can be answered by collecting data, either in an observation, a survey, or experiment? Number 2, Selena wants to learn more about the degrees her family members have earned. She collects the following data. 2 family members earned a high school diploma. 3 family members earned a bachelor's degree. 2 family members earned a master's degree. 1 family member earned a doctorate degree. What method was most likely used to collect this data? So when you look at the Google form, what method most likely used to collect the data? Was it a survey, an observation, or experiment? Okay, now we're back to the last question, question number 3. Write a question that could be used to collect data on each of the following topics. Name a method that could be used to collect each set of data. So for height, you're going to give me a question that you could use to collect data, and then how you would do that, whether it would be survey, observation, or experiment. Then you're going to do the same thing with the football. You're going to give me a question, and then you're going to tell me whether it's by survey, observation, or experiment. Refer back to when we did the lesson on Wednesday and the kid was kicking the soccer ball. So think about that, but use a football, maybe. And then groceries. I want you to write me a question and then, or write Mrs. Davis and I a question, and then tell us how you would collect that data, either survey, observation, or experiment. So that is the quiz for today. Again, you can pull this up at any time if you need to, but I wanted to read the questions aloud to you, and then you will answer them on this Google form. So you're going to choose one answer here on the Google form for which question can be answered by collecting data. You're going to tell us which method Selena will use to for the data, to collect the data on the people in her family and their how they got their degree, and then here's height, football, and groceries. So you're going to write your question and then how you'd collect the data. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks, guys.